Welcome back to BarnabasGist. My people, no be small thing, they say that Wike, Wike, they say they don't cast Wike as one of the Nigeria army wey don run retire say no work again. The guy don't finally go open Wike nyash. He said the continued detention of Mazi Nnamdi is by Wike and some other Igbo governors and politicians. My people, he don't finally break the table. I will bring the video. Come up, can show you, may you watch, and we'll come back and continue. Yes. Stay tuned.
Hello, Nigerians. They are trying to silence me, but with God, they failed to silence me. I want to analyze something concerning the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Everybody is just talking here and there about Nnamdi Kanu. But what is keeping Nnamdi Kanu in the prison today is saboteurs. Because of the saboteurs, some selfish people that will make the good movement of this nation, that will make the betterment of this nation not to appear to the people of this nation. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. You see that how Nigerian leadership are turning this country upside down. That every human being or the citizen of this country, they are not getting it right. You see that hospital, you are not well treated. You see that in police station, your case are not be well taken care of. Insecurity everywhere. There is no security. He decided to say no, and he know the history, and he decided, let me get my own country, Biafra. And the history of Biafra, he met that history that a lot of indigenous people of Biafra, they are fighting for this country called Biafra for a very long time before he was born. And he stood up. A saboteurs in the east. The people holding Nnamdi Kanu in the Nigeria today, in the prison today, is not the government, it's not the president. How can the president hold Nnamdi Kanu when all the whole charges against him is not guilty to it? The people holding Nnamdi Kanu in this country today is the leadership, the leaders in the east, the governors. Let me measure. I am not afraid of anything. The governor of Enugu, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu. The governor of Anambra, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu. Hope Uzodimma, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. The governor of Abia State, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. Wike, your hand there for Nnamdi Kanu detention. Now, they hold Nnamdi Kanu, make it they know what? Release her. Una say, if they release Nnamdi Kanu, say, problem go there for East. How problem go there? Nnamdi Kanu there for detention, problem not there for the East. Is Fulani not killing the people of the Igbo land? If Fulani not killing people inside East today, the governor of Enugu is an impotent governor. Fulani herdsmen is killing your people. You are not doing anything. You did not take anything action. It was the youth that said they must gain Biafra. They are the one fighting. They are the one pursue those Fulani away from their land. You will keep her because of selfish interest. Those people I just mentioned, they are behind the arrest. They are behind the detain of Nnamdi Kanu. They want Nnamdi Kanu to die in that prison so that anything concerning Biafra should not rise again. It's a lie. Nobody can stop the sun to shine. The worm when they eat cola, the worm when they chop cola, it dey inside cola. So the people killing Nnamdi Kanu, the people that said Nnamdi Kanu will not be released, they are charging him reckless and nonsense charges. They are the governor, the House of Representatives that is represent all the whole senatorial district in the east. They are against him. They are the one that said Nnamdi Kanu will not gain freedom. That if they gain Biafra, them who is now the governor, so-called Nigeria, they will not have any political space in the Biafra. They will chase them away from Biafra because they did not start for them to gain Biafra. It's only Nnamdi Kanu and Samuel Ekpa that gain Biafra. So therefore, they don't want the Biafra to stand. So my advice to the IPOB today, Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, going to court every day. And you people are creating sit at home. Let me tell you today, sit at home will not solve the problem. Sit at home will not bring Nnamdi Kanu out of that place. Let me advise you people. I'm talking to you. If you know you are the commander in the IPOB, in the movement of Biafra, you stand, you are a true, you are not a bloodshed, you are not a ritualist, hiding in the umbrella of IPOB, say you are fighting for Biafra. If you are not, you are the real Biafra. I'm talking to you. Sit at home will not bring Nnamdi Kanu out of prison. Sit at home will not make the problem that Nnamdi Kanu is having be solved. Nnamdi Kanu issue is being adjourned to October 10. I advise you people to make movement to Abuja October 7. You people should occupy everywhere in Abuja. If they judge the case that on the 10th of October and they did not release Nnamdi Kanu, you people should make sure that you hold DSS office. Now once that they die, you people are in the east, IPOB here and there. You don't want Nigerian, you don't want this one. Sit at home every Monday will not solve problem to bring Nnamdi Kanu out of the prison because the whole governors in the east, they are the one holding Nnamdi Kanu. Now then they do guluma, make them not release Nnamdi Kanu. So therefore, if now hold the whole governors in the state ransomly, they not go off in, nobody attend, nobody dig for governor house. They should go to Abuja and tell the president to release Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist leader. They will do. But you people keep quiet. You are doing to the left side of the story. You are doing to the left side of the solution to release Nnamdi Kanu. Because the governors, House of Rep, House of Senate, that is representing the people of the East, are behind the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. They don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Because I make my finding. They cannot arrest Meiti Allah, who is the leader of Fulani herdsmen. They cannot arrest that man and detain him to this extent. They will not. You will see the terror, you will see the Fulani herdsmen. They will be killing. But why should they arrest Nnamdi Kanu since 2017? You people just keep quiet. Shouting Biafra, shouting IPOB. Why some people are using the old IPOB to become what? Ritualists. Be killing people, eating people. All in the name of IPOB. Why the real IPOB are there? Those people doing that for ritualists, say IPOB, all those ones, they are terrorists of the East. They are the propaganda. That those ones, they don't want Biafra to stand. They don't want Nnamdi Kanu to come outside from the prison, from detention. They are the one doing those ritually all in the name of IPOB. So my advice to you people, the youth from the East, Lord Biafra, my advice to una, make una hold all the whole governor ransom for this. They are behind the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They are the one pushing the federal government. They are the one making them to charge unnecessary charge. That is not important. Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. He's not a leader of terrorists. Why the leader of terrorists that they are disturbing this country? They are there moving freely, even moving with security, soldiers. They are escorting the leaders of terrorists in this country. While Nnamdi Kanu, who needs freedom, who needs this whole country, is being detained unlawfully. Now, if you people come to disturb the people of the East, they will not send their Peking to come and do that. They will send innocent soldier. Then the innocent soldier, they will now die. They will now kill them all in the name of keeping peace. They will now recruit another and send back there. You people will now kill them again. Killing soldiers in the East will not stop the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Instead, will uphold Nnamdi Kanu to be in the prison. I advise you people today, the IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, I advise you now today, anytime when I see my video, make una do the right thing. Make una hold all the whole governor that make up the indigenous people of Biafra. Hold them. There should be no office in the East. There should be no movement in the East. They should go and bring Nnamdi Kanu. Let it be war. You will see other neighboring states will support una. All those things when they do so, say Biafra army, Biafra soldier, you don't want the zoo army to. You boy are just wasting your time. You are increasing the problem of Nnamdi Kanu. You boy are not ready to release Nnamdi Kanu. You people can fight this. You can fight this and get Biafra. But if you people are killing, you are ranting in the east without taking a proper step, Nnamdi Kanu will not be released. I am not praying that he should be there. Because the governors and the House of Senate rep in the east, they are behind his detention. Because why? If Nnamdi Kanu come outside, those people call themselves governor, House of Rep, they will not have the opportunity in any position in Biafra land. They might be chased out of Biafra. That is why they are making sure Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. This is my advice. I call me peace. I mean no harm. Detaining Nnamdi Kanu, they pay me for body because why? Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist leader. He's a freedom fighter. Why are you people detaining a freedom fighter and leave the leaders of Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen? Why should you people leave the leaders of Boko Haram's, ISWAP, banditry, and you people know them? They give you the list. And now, when I come to face Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, is he up to the terrorist leader in the north? If not another person, they arrest for this kind of treason. When they say treason, are you aware the person not go reach this kind of time for prison detention? Nnamdi Kanu is an innocent person. They just hate him because why? They still say he wise. If the country divide, peace go there, everybody go, it go affect them. They don't say if the country divide, those who are ruling now, the governor ruling in the east now, they are not going to get it right. That is why they are doing amebo to the president that they should not release what? Nnamdi Kanu. Because why? They are not going to benefit in the movement of Biafra country. That's why they are doing so. If you say you don't hear from me, I don't tell you now, wait till they stop now. Make una do the right thing. Moving, mobilize to Abuja, DSS, for a massive protest on that court day. Now go stop the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Make them give una leaders. You not do anything. If not and therefore don't hold that place ransom seas. Not be to do sit at home, man. Please. Not be sit at home, go release Nnamdi Kanu. Do the right thing, the people of Biafra. I want una to do the right thing. October is the end, is adjourned, the court case. I want to make una there Abuja by on the 7th.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I bet you quickly go inside comment section and drop your own opinion and let us know the idea or the courage when they give the IPOB leaders. What do you think for inside the matter, and share this video. My people, don't forget to see there for BarnabasGist. I see they watch, make sure they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they go. It don't read.